Guys, I was having a P219A bank 1 airflow ratio imbalance and a P0301 cylinder 1 misfire detected. I looked on YouTube for several different issues that might occur to this. My car was at 132,000 miles, so I assumed that it was probably the spark plugs. So I went ahead and changed my spark plugs, as you can see. Here's cylinder 1. Cylinder 1 is closest to your belts on this side. And this is cylinder 2, 3, and 4. Anyway, I changed the spark plugs and I was still having the same code ratings. So I decided, okay, it must be my ignition coils. So I tested my ignition coils from the power wire to the negative on the battery with a multimeter, and I was getting roughly 12 volts from each ignition coil. So it left me wondering if my ignition coils are working, my spark plugs are fine, what could be the issue? So I decided to pull this out, the ignition coil out, and inspect it, and at first glance I didn't see any issues whatsoever. But I decided to stick a spark plug down in it and take another glance, and as you can see, there had been some damage, I guess from dry rot over the years. This is a 2011 Toyota Corolla, and it was causing an airflow imbalance, and that's what was giving me those two air controls. Inside the car, the emergency checked engine light was on and the traction control light. So if you're working on this, I would definitely check the rubber tubing on your ignition coil. And by the way, the Advanced Auto Parts, AutoZone, and O'Reilly's, these are about $80 each, but you can buy them off of Amazon for about $18. So, thanks.